Good morning, Primary 2. How are you today? I wish all of you are fine. Are you ready for our new lesson? Excellent, let's start. Our topic for today is sound. Okay, our topic called sound. Yes. What is sound? What is the meaning of sound? What do you think? Sound, it's a form of energy, a type of energy that can be heard. It's a type of energy that can be heard. Can be heard by your ears. Excellent. So sound, it's a form of energy. A form of energy that can be heard or seen. Heard. Super. Repeat after me, please. A form of energy. A form of energy. A type of energy that can be heard. That can be heard. That can be heard. Excellent. Okay. How the sound is formed? How? Sound is formed by the vibration of the body. Sound is formed by the vibration of the body. Here, it's alarm clock, right? When the alarm clock vibrates, okay, when the alarm clock vibrates, it produces sound or it makes sound. So sound is formed by the vibration of the body. Sound is formed by vibration of the body. Here, it's a cell phone. When the cell phone vibrates, it produces or makes a sound. Again, sound is formed by vibration of the body. When the body vibrates, it produces sound. Repeat after me, please. Vibration. 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 So sound is formed by, excellent, by vibration of the body. Super. Types of sound. Okay, in your classroom, we can divide you into boys and girls, into two types, boys and girls. The same for sound. Sound has two types. How many types? Two types. Okay? The first type, it's called loud sound. It's called loud sound. Loud sound is made by large vibration, like noise. Loud sound is made by large vibration. Like what? Like noise. Oh, noise, it's a loud sound. Repeat after me, please. Loud sound. Loud sound. Loud sound. Loud sound is made by large vibration, okay? Loud sound is made by large vibration. So loud sound, large vibration. Loud sound, large vibration. Loud sound, large vibration. Excellent. The second type, it's called quiet sound. Quiet sound, yes. Quiet sound. Quiet sound is made by small vibration. So quiet sound is made by small vibration, like whispering. Repeat after me. Quiet sound. quiet sound. Quiet sound. Quiet sound is made by small vibration, like whispering. Okay? When you whisper in your friend's ears, so you are speak in quiet sound. Quiet sound, small vibration. Quiet sound, small vibration. Like whispering. Repeat after me, please. Whispering, whispering, whispering. So we have two types of sound. Yes, loud sound and quiet sound. Loud sound and quiet sound. Loud sound, large vibration. Quiet sound, small vibration. Loud sound, large vibration. Quiet sound, small vibration. Okay? Loud sound like noise. Quiet sound like whispering. Around us, there are many devices that produce sound, that make sound, such as doorbell. Okay. Did you hear it? The sound of the doorbell tell us that there is someone at the door, so you must open the door. Doorbell, its sound tell us that there is someone at the door. Hurry up and open the door. So the first device called doorbell, 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 and its sound tell us that there is someone at the door. Okay. The second device, it's called cell phone. Okay.